Ever seen a sign for a 50% off sale? Your brain probably thinks half price instantly. That's a superpower. You've converted a percentage to a fraction to make life easier. Let's master that trick. First, let's turn a percentage into a fraction. The secret is that percent literally means out of 100. So to change any percentage, just write it as a fraction over 100. Take 60%. That's simply 60 over 100. But we don't stop there. We simplify. What's the biggest number that goes into both 60 and 100? It's 20. Divide the top and bottom by 20, and you get the clean, simple answer, 3/5. That's it. Now, converting to a decimal is even faster. Just remember the left 2 rule. Take your percentage, say 45%, find the decimal point, and slide it 2 places to the left. 45 becomes 0.45. Simple. But be careful with single digits. 7% isn't 0.7, that's 70%. You have to slide it twice. 7 becomes 0.07. That one detail trips up everyone. So why bother with all this? Because it unlocks mental math. Trying to calculate 75% of 40 in your head is a headache. But if you know 75% is the same as the fraction 3/4, the problem becomes easy. What's 1/4 of 40? That's 10. And 3 of those is 30. No calculator needed. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are 3 ways of saying the exact same thing. Being able to jump between them isn't just a math lesson. It's about seeing how numbers connect. It's about becoming fluent in the language of quantities, a language you'll use every single day.